Jesus, why do we have to forgive people who hurt us?
Because forgiveness sets your heart free, Emma. When we hold on to anger, it only hurts us more.
But what if they really hurt me?
I know it's hard. But remember, I forgave the people who hurt me, even on the cross. Forgiving doesn't mean what they did was okay. It means you're choosing peace over pain.
But what if they never say sorry?
Forgiveness isn't about them. It's about you and your heart. When you forgive, you let go of the heavy burden of anger, and that helps you find joy again.
So, forgiving is more for me than for them?
That's right. And when you forgive, you're showing love, just like God forgives us.
Okay, Jesus, I'll try to forgive, even when it's hard.
That's all I ask, Emma, and I'll always be here to help you.
Forgiveness brings peace, joy, and love. Let's choose love, like Jesus taught us.